Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, Ka-226T minus French engines to India. Russia has potentially revived its bid for India's light utility helicopter program with a modified proposal. This comes after negotiations for the Ka-226T helicopters stalled due to engine localization issues. Russia's recent successful test of the VK650V turboshaft engine prototype might be a game changer. This indigenously developed 650-750 horsepower engine is designed to replace engines like the French Safran-sourced power plant that previously hindered the Ka-226T's localization efforts in India. Next, stake in AMCA engine development. Dr. Sanjay Kumar Jha, the Director Production and Marketing and Chairman and Managing Director of Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited, has confirmed the company's proactive involvement in India's cutting-edge defense projects. Midhani is set to play a crucial role in developing materials for the upcoming 110 kilonewton thrust engine, part of the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program, and also for the F414 engines in the Tejas Mk2 program. Next, boosting firepower with indigenous glide bombs. The Indian Air Force is set to significantly boost its aerial firepower with the planned acquisition of 500 units of the indigenously developed Gaurav long-range glide bomb developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. The Gaurav LRGB is a long-range air-to-surface precision weapon designed to neutralize enemy targets with high accuracy. Next, Brazil confirms getting India's night vision tech. In a significant development for India's defense exports, Brazil has officially confirmed the purchase of ground panoramic night vision goggles manufactured by Bharat Electronics Limited. This follows a leak of the purchase documents a few years ago. The initial details of this deal emerged when documents hinting at a Brazilian interest in the GPNVG were leaked. Today, Brazil has officially confirmed the purchase, validating the earlier information. Next, electric air taxi launch. E-Plane, a deep tech startup incubated at IIT Madras, is reviving up its engine for the future of urban mobility. The company announced its ambitious plans to complete the prototype of its electric air taxi, the E200X, by the end of 2024. This is just the first step in their aggressive timeline. Next, Navy to order Tapas surveillance drones. In a boost for Made in India weapon system, the Indian Navy is set to place an order for 4 Tapas drones built in India by the DRDO. The Indian Navy intends to use the drones developed by DRDO for surveillance over the maritime zone. The Indian Navy is going to order this for surveillance operations, defense officials told ANI. The drone would be manufactured by a consortium of Bharat Electronics Limited and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Thank you.